2018 Nissan Sentra is a conservative auto that does what it says on the bundle. It's ample, calm, and moderately reasonable. The 2018 Nissan Sentra lives inside the edges. It's open for up to 4, fuel effective by most auto models, and outfitted with simply enough apparatus to make the day-by-day drive and home once more. It's the sort of auto that a great many individuals utilize each day. Our rating of 5.5 is an impression of its normal capacities or more normal security frameworks, which are new for 2018. Those security changes incorporate standard programmed crisis braking on all models furnished with a persistently factor programmed transmission, CVT. The Sentra is offered in S, SV, SR, SL, SR Turbo, and Nismo trim levels. That programmed crisis braking updates the Sentra with its adversaries that offer a similar standard gear: Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, Mazda 3. Not at all like a portion of those contenders, the Nissan is quite clear about its aims. It's a worker exceptional. The tall, upright look is an aid to outward vision and headroom, however it's a little Poindexter, by our book. That doesn't look good for the SR Turbo and Nismo variations that were presented a year ago. Nissan offers an uprated Turbo 4 that enhances strength over the base Sentra powertrain, 188 pull to 124 horsepower, however it's not as sensational as the numbers show. The SR Turbo and Nismo adaptations aren't as fun as the Sentra's old hypo release, the SER. A 6-speed manual is accessible on base S and turbo trim levels, however it's not worth the exertion, we say. It's somewhat ropey and not very exact. The CVT helps push the Sentra into low 30 mpg joination, yet just without turbochargers. Those variants require premium unleaded and aren't particularly thrifty. Base Sentras are generally all around prepared at their low $17,885 cost. They get 16-inch wheels with wheel covers, programmed headlights, fabric upholstery, a 5.0-inch sound show with Bluetooth network and rear-view camera. The trim levels runly extend the distance to cowhide upholstered Sentra SL adaptations, however we say the best esteem is on bring down evaluated renditions.